Hello guys, today we'll talk about Glass. This movie was horrible. It was pretty bad. It wasn't as bad as Birds of Prey. Birds of Prey was pretty bad, but this is probably the worst of the three movies. Glass is the sequel to Unbreakable. And this movie basically, most of the movie it's like in a prison where being kept away from society. The Glass, the guy from Unbreakable, and the other guy from Unbreakable, and the guy from Split. It's kind of like the song that all three of these movies tie in together. But again, this movie is it's just very, very bad. Again, no wonder why this movie disappointed at the box office. Domestically, it opened like 40 million and ended up like $110 million domestically. That's because this movie was a bit disappointing, pretty disappointing. Basically conclusion. It's a very, very, very disappointing conclusion. At the end, oh, they're all. I'm not gonna ruin the conclusion for you, but the conclusion was very, 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 very disappointing. You know, first two movie, the first movie was pretty good. Unbreakable. It was a pretty good movie. Nobody expected it to ever get a sequel, but it got Split, which was another prequel to Glass. It happened before Glass, and then both of the movies tied together like the MCU and to this one movie called Glass, you know. And yep, this movie isn't that great. This movie is just why most of the movie is them talking in prison and stuff, or the guys say you was kept in prison and as it's kind of like if they kept the Avengers in the prison and that's like how most of the movie is. It's kind of like if Infinity War is half of the Avengers being kept in prison by because they failed to do the Sokovia Accords. That's what this movie kind of is. And again, the best part of the movie is the end part where they all fight at the end. But that was also kept short because of course we don't want any fighting because our movie is a low budget movie, so we have to have no fighting at all. So we gotta have it where we just talk to each other. So this is probably one of the worst superhero movies made of 2020. And that's basically it. So this movie, I can give it a 4 out of 10. It's not good at all. It's terrible. Not good. Don't watch it. Basically, if you want to be disappointed, you can watch it. But that's basically it. Goodbye.